Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be building a website for a Springfield International Soccer Club, and SISC in short. This website is going to be built with using Laravel and Filament PHP. If you not know Filament PHP, it's like a framework built on top of Laravel. It allows you to build beautiful admin dashboards and stuff. Currently they are on version 3, but version 4 is going to be released soon, so we are going to be using version 4. And this website is going to have a landing page, which is going to give you the details about the club, and also it's going to have an admin panel where admins can manage the players, the game schedules, and image galleries and stuff. So in order to get started, if you do not already have herd installed, go ahead and install herd by visiting herd.laravel.com. It's a one-click PHP development environment. You can set up all the services that you would require in order to run a Laravel app. And after you're done, go ahead and install the Laravel installer using Composer Global. And once that's done, you should be able to run Laravel new and your app name. So let's go ahead and do Laravel new, and I'm going to call it SISC. So I already have a previous project. Let's go ahead and remove that and run Laravel new SISC again. Let's go ahead and install Livewire, just simply because Filament PHP already comes and it uses Livewire behind the scenes. So let's go ahead and use Livewire, and we should be good with Laravel's built-in authentication. We do not want to use Vault, and let's stick with Pest. You can see that it's going to use a SQLite database, which is fine for now. It's asking me if you want to run the npm install and npm run build. Let's say yes, and we should be good to go. It does say to run Composer run dev, but we do not need, since Laravel Herd provides a easier way to access this website using the test domain. So we could simply do CSISC, and if we go into the browser and visit sisc.test, we should be up and running. So now let's go ahead and open the project in our editor. And we should be good to go. What we will be doing in this episode is we will be trying to reconstruct the landing page. So in order to check how it's loaded right now, you can see that it just simply returns a view which is called welcome.view. It's listed in the resources, views, and welcome.delete.php. So right now it looks like if you go into the package.json, you can see nothing is installed, no TailwindCSS. Probably we'll have to install Tailwind as well as set up Vite. I think Tailwind is already installed. There's Vite too. So let's go ahead and see if we can directly import that. So instead of this, we can do Vite and do resources.js app.js and resources css app.css. These are the build files from config, and let's go ahead and check what happens. So looks like everything is set up. Let's go ahead and get rid of everything here. And let's remove the class on the body tag. And I have access to Tailwind CSS, so I'm going to quickly paste some boilerplate, and let's take a look. Okay, looks like it didn't work, but that's because we did not compile our assets. So let's do pm run build, and you can see it's up there. And then we are going to be editing some of the step, probably changing everything here. So let's start. First, okay, so this snippet says includes a script tag or install Tailwind plus elements. So let's go ahead and actually do that. npm install Tailwind plus elements. And once that's done, it should be good. We are going to rename this to SISC, and we probably need the logo, but for now, we'll just simply keep moving forward. Let's go ahead and change the welcome text. Should be over here. We could probably get rid of welcome. And we probably don't need the get started in live demo buttons. And now let's go ahead and replace these images with something similar to soccer. So I am going to go to unsplash.com and simply search for soccer. Okay, I like this. So let's click on open image, copy the URL, and get over here and replace. So if everything went right, oh, there it is. This is the first image which changed. Now let's go back and do the same thing for other images. So we are done with the first. Let's go ahead and do the second. This is the second. Let's go back. Try this. And it changed the third one. We need two more. We'll probably get this one. There it is, and another last. I like this one, so let's go ahead and copy that. There we go. We are set up. So after this, I think we probably also need like a call to action. So this would be the place where you would ask your players to register for your club, and there might be payments associated with the registration, and we're going to try to keep it as simple as possible. So let me copy something from Tailwind CSS, and let's do a section, and this is going to be CTA, and you remember we have to run the npm run. We can do def, which is going to keep it running. Awesome. Let's change the wordings a little bit. And we can get rid of the learn more. Now, awesome. So this is a basic setup. We also need like a footer section. So let me go ahead and try to find a footer. Let's see here. Which one do I want? Let's do footer. We want to keep the footer as small as possible too, because we do not really have a lot of links. We just probably would have a couple of links to social media platforms. So let's do footer. Oh, looks like it already comes with the footer section, so let's rearrange it a little bit, and let's try to reload. There we have it. Awesome. Looks like we probably would also want to change the navigation bar to this color. So let's grab the BG gray, scroll up top, and this would probably be this, and we'll also need to tweak the text. So we'll force the text to be white. Well, it's probably because the text is overwritten. There we have it. So let's get rid of these. There we go. I'm not sure how much I like it though, so I'm gonna go back and revert these changes. I'm gonna stick with white. I think I like it better. Let's go ahead and change the background. Remove the background actually. And we want to get rid of the hover. Well, we'll probably go with text gray 900. That looks cool. We also want to do the same thing over here on these links. Awesome. And let's change this to SC, and we can probably use the PHP to override that. Awesome. So in the next episode, what we are going to do is we are going to set up Filament PHP version 4.x beta. Uh, as of today, August 9th, Filament v4 is going to come out somewhere next week. So I am going to keep working with Filament v4, and it's going to be great. There are a lot of improvements with Filament v4. Some of them are performance improvements, some of them are developer experience improvements. So we're going to see how to set up Filament v4 and use it. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.